43%. That's the number that stopped me cold. 43% of local business owners on Reddit's small business forums said they would never, under any circumstances, use an AI voice agent for customer service. They called it violating. They said it frustrates customers, repeats sentences, and ruins the brand. And yet, right now, there's a quiet group of people making $10,000, $20,000, even $50,000 a month running local AI customer service outsourcing agencies. How is that possible? If the very people you're trying to sell to hate the product, how are these agencies printing money? Here is the uncomfortable truth. The people failing in this business are trying to sell AI as a replacement for human connection. The people making a fortune are selling AI as a utility. They aren't replacing the friendly receptionist who talks to regular customers. They are replacing the voicemail that loses a $5,000 plumbing lead at 2 in the morning. After studying hundreds of business models and reading through real operator stories on forums like on our Sweaty Startup, I found a pattern. The money isn't in building a generic AI agency. The money is in choosing a boring, unsexy local niche and solving their specific communication bottleneck. If you only act on one idea from this list, make it the last one. It is the one that generates income with the least effort, and it's hiding in plain sight. My name is George. Let's get into it. Number 15, after-hours plumbing lead capture. Let's start with something you see every day and never think about. When a pipe bursts in someone's house at 11:30 p.m., they don't leave a voicemail and wait for the morning. They Google emergency plumber near me, call the first number, and if it goes to voicemail, they hang up and call the second number. This is an absolute nightmare for plumbing owners. According to industry data, an emergency plumbing job is worth anywhere from $500 to $2,500. Every missed call is lost revenue. An AI customer service agency doesn't take over their daytime calls. It turns on at $6 p.m. When the panicked homeowner calls, the AI answers instantly, asks 3 specific questions to gauge the severity of the leak, and automatically dispatches the on-call plumber if it's a true emergency. Let's do the simple math. If your AI catches just one missed $1,000 job a week for that plumber, that's $4,000 in recovered revenue a month. Charging them a $500 to $800 monthly retainer for this service becomes a no-brainer. Number 14, med spa booking automation. You probably know someone who visits a medical spa for Botox, laser hair removal, or skin treatments. These places have incredibly high margins, often operating at 30% to 40% net profit, but they have a massive operational flaw. Their front desk staff is usually busy checking out clients in person, meaning the phone rings out. An AI agent in this niche doesn't need to be a conversational genius. It just needs to look at a calendar and book a slot. Hi, I see you want to book a hydrofacial. We have Tuesday at 2 p.m. or Thursday at 10 a.m. Which works best? The setup is simple. You integrate the AI with their booking software. You charge a $1,000 setup fee and a $400 monthly maintenance retainer. 10 clients in this space, and you are clearing $4,000 a month for software that runs itself. Number 13, roofing storm chaser response. This is probably the least attractive business on the entire list, but it's wildly profitable. In areas prone to hail or hurricanes, roofing companies operate in massive seasonal spikes. After a storm, their phones ring 100 times a day. They physically cannot answer them all. I read a thread recently from a roofing contractor who admitted he lost out on an estimated $60,000 in roof replacements, simply because his team couldn't return calls fast enough before the competitors did. Your agency builds a seasonal high-volume AI responder. It answers the call, takes down the address, assesses the suspected damage type, and drops it into a CRM for the sales team to prioritize. You don't charge a flat retainer here. You charge a base fee of $300 plus $25 per qualified lead. During storm season, one roofing client can pay you $2,000 a month. Number 12, legal intake triage for personal injury firms. Let me be honest with you for a moment. Lawyers are terrible at technology, but they understand the value of a lead better than anyone on earth. A single personal injury case can be worth tens of thousands, sometimes millions of dollars. When someone gets into a car accident and calls a billboard lawyer, they want to talk to someone immediately. If they get a voicemail, they call the next billboard. An AI intake agent acts as a triage nurse. It answers the call, asks the mandatory pre-qualification questions. Were you injured? Was the police report filed? Was the other driver insured? And if the answers are yes, it immediately patches the call to the attorney's cell phone or schedules an urgent consultation. Because the value of the lead is so high, personal injury firms will gladly pay $1,500 to $3,000 a month for a customized AI intake system that never sleeps and never puts a caller on hold. Here's the first pattern you'll see repeating. You don't sell AI. Nobody wants to buy artificial intelligence. They want to buy recovered revenue. If you pitch an AI voice agent, you will get rejected. If you pitch a system that catches the $5,000 jobs they are currently losing to their competitors, they will hand you their credit card. Number 11, property management maintenance routing. Think about it like you're a kid. It's the difference between your mom dealing with every single complaint you and your siblings have versus having a babysitter filter them out. Property managers oversee hundreds of units. Tenants call constantly. The toilet is running. The AC is making a weird noise. A light bulb burned out in the hallway. Your agency builds an AI that categorizes these calls. Is it an emergency, like a flood or fire? Is it a routine maintenance request? The AI logs the routine requests into a ticketing system for the next business day and only forwards the true emergencies to the on-call handyman. A property management company with 500 doors will happily pay you $800 a month to stop their phones from ringing at 3 a.m. for a broken microwave. Number 10, dental office rescheduling and reminders. The global dental services market is valued at over $400 billion. But every single dentist struggles with the same boring problem, no-shows. When a patient doesn't show up for a hygiene appointment, the dentist loses $150 to $300 of guaranteed revenue for that hour, and they still have to pay the hygienist. An AI, SMS, and voice agent can proactively reach out to patients who are overdue for a cleaning or handle the influx of rescheduling calls. I see you need to reschedule your Thursday appointment. We have an opening next Monday at 9 a.m. or Wednesday at 3 p.m. It sounds almost illegal that you can set this up once using white label software and charge a dentist $500 a month forever. It's not. It's just simple math. Number 9, accounting tax season triage. Between January and April, accounting firms are war zones. Their phones ring nonstop with clients asking the exact same 3 questions. Did my return get filed? What documents do you need from me? And when is my appointment? Your AI agency builds a 90-day temporary deployment. You train the AI on the firm's specific document requirements and integrate it with their tax software status page. The AI handles 80% of the inbound calls, freeing up the CPAs to actually do the tax work. Because this is a high-stress, short-term deployment, you can charge a premium. $2,000 setup, plus $1,000 a month for the 4 months of tax season. And here's something almost nobody tells you. It pairs perfectly with the previous one. You can use the exact same AI architecture for an accounting firm that you used for the dental office. You just change the vocabulary. You're building the infrastructure once and selling it dozens of times. Number 8, landscaping and hardscaping, quote, follow up. The landscaping business is a $176 billion industry in the US alone. But landscapers are notoriously bad at follow-up. They go to a house, look at the backyard, promise a quote for a new patio, send the quote via email 3 days later, and then never call the homeowner again. Your AI agent isn't answering inbound calls. It's doing outbound follow-up. 3 days after the quote is sent, the AI calls the homeowner. Hi, this is Sarah from Elite Landscapes. I'm just following up on the patio quote we sent over. Did you have any questions about the materials or the timeline? If the homeowner says yes, the AI schedules a quick call with the owner. If they say no, let's move forward. The AI sends the payment link. Landscapers have massive average order values. A hardscaping job can be $15,000. If your AI closes just one stalled quote a month, you've paid for your $1,000 monthly retainer 10 times over. Number 7, pest control emergency routing. Nobody wants to think about cockroaches, but cockroaches don't care whether you want to think about them. When someone sees a rat in their kitchen or termites in their wall, they want it gone yesterday. The pest control industry is highly competitive. According to data compiled from IBISWorld, there are over 30,000 pest control businesses in the US. Your AI agency builds a rapid response system. When a panicked customer calls, the AI identifies the pest, gives them immediate safety instructions, and books the next available exterminator. $400 a month per client. 10 clients is $4,000 a month in recurring revenue. Number 6, auto repair status updates. Here's the trick YouTube gurus never explain. The biggest bottleneck in a mechanic's shop isn't fixing the cars. It's the service advisor spending 4 hours a day answering the phone to tell people, your car is still on the lift, we are waiting for a part. You build an AI agent that integrates with their shop management software. When a customer calls and asks, is my Honda Civic ready? The AI checks the database, sees the status is waiting on alternator, and replies automatically. The mechanic gets 4 hours of his day back. You get a $600 monthly check. The customer gets an instant answer without being put on hold for 10 minutes. Everyone wins. Number 5, towing company dispatch automation. This one is intense. Towing companies operate 24/7, and their dispatchers are historically overworked and prone to burnout. A guy broke down on the side of the highway is stressed, angry, and confused about his location. An AI voice agent can instantly pull the caller's location via an SMS ping, ask for the make and model of the vehicle, and dispatch the nearest available truck. Because you are directly replacing or heavily assisting a salaried dispatcher, you can charge significantly more. towing companies will pay $500 to $2,500 a month for an AI dispatch assistant that doesn't need sleep and never gets an attitude with a stressed out driver. Still with me? Good. Because now we enter the final stretch of the list, where the businesses get more interesting and less obvious. Number 4, boutique gym membership inquiries. CrossFit boxes, Pilates studios, and martial arts gyms usually have the owner working the front desk. When someone calls asking about membership prices, class schedules, or drop-in rates, the owner has to stop coaching a class to answer the phone. The AI you build for them is a knowledge base expert. It knows the exact schedule, the exact pricing tiers, and the exact cancellation policy. When a prospect calls, the AI answers their questions and texts them a link to sign up for a free trial class. It's a low-ticket retainer, maybe $250 to $300 a month, but the sales cycle is incredibly short. You can sign up 10 gyms in a single weekend just by cold calling them and letting them hear the AI in action. Number 3, residential cleaning service quotes. Cleaning businesses scale by volume, but quoting a cleaning job requires gathering a lot of data: square footage, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, pets, deep clean versus standard clean. Your AI acts as the estimator. The customer calls, the AI asks the 6 necessary questions, calculates the estimated price based on the owner's formula, and offers to book the first cleaning right there on the phone. If the cleaning company charges $200 per home and your AI books 5 homes a week that would have otherwise gone to voicemail, that's $4,000 a month in new revenue for them. Your $500 monthly fee is a rounding error. Number 2, veterinary clinic triage. Veterinarians have one of the highest burnout rates of any profession. Their front desk is constantly bombarded with panicked pet owners. My dog ate a grape. What do I do? Your AI is trained strictly on triage protocols. It asks the weight of the dog, how many grapes were eaten, and how long ago. It then routes the call to the emergency tech line or calmly tells the owner to monitor the dog, based on the vet's pre-approved guidelines. This is a high liability niche, so you must ensure the AI is strictly bound to the vet's rulebook, but the relief it provides to the clinic staff is immeasurable. Vets will gladly pay $1,000 a month for this level of operational breathing room. And finally, the one that generates income with the least effort. Number 1, the AI reactivation campaign manager. Every single local business, from the roofer to the dentist to the landscaper, has a database of past customers. Hundreds, sometimes thousands of people who bought from them once, 2 years ago, and never heard from them again. You don't sell them an inbound phone agent. You sell them a database reactivation. You take their list of 1,000 past customers. Your AI sends a personalized SMS to all of them. Hi, John. This is Elite HVAC. We noticed it's been 2 years since we serviced your AC unit. We're running a $49 tune-up special this week. Want me to grab you a slot? When John replies, the AI handles the conversation, answers any questions, and books the appointment on the calendar. You charge a setup fee of $500, and then you charge $50 for every appointment the AI books. If the AI books 40 appointments out of a 1,000 person list, you just made $2,000 in 3 days. You can run this exact play for a different business every single day of the month. None of them are brilliant. All of them are consistent. The money isn't hiding in the exciting, futuristic ideas. It never was. It's hiding in the boring operational bottlenecks that nobody else wants to deal with. In the book Buy Then Build, Walker Deibel talks about how most wealth is created not by inventing something new, but by optimizing something that already exists. That's exactly what an AI customer service agency does. You aren't inventing AI. You're just pointing it at a leaky bucket and plugging the hole. When I first started studying business, I was also looking for the genius idea. I thought I needed to build a software platform from scratch or invent a new physical product. But the deeper I looked into real wealth generation, the more I realized that the people making the quietest, most consistent money are simply providing utilities to other businesses. Let's look at 2 different people. We'll call them Mark and David. Mark hears about AI and decides he wants to build a revolutionary AI therapist app. He spends 8 months trying to get funding, coding complex logic, and fighting massive tech companies for market share. He burns through his savings and ends up with a product nobody wants to pay for. David looks at AI and says, "Plumbers miss phone calls at night." He spends 1 weekend white labeling an existing AI voice tool, calls 20 local plumbers, and signs 3 of them to a $600 a month retainer. David has a profitable business by Monday morning. The boring factor is the advantage. Nobody's competing with you because nobody thinks scheduling dental appointments or dispatching tow trucks is exciting enough to try. The question isn't which of these niches is best. The question is, which one can you start with what you have right now? Ask yourself first whether you want to chase a flashy idea that pays you once if you get lucky, or a boring system that pays you every single month. Hit that like button. It helps a lot. Subscribe if you want us to keep talking about real money and business strategies. Tell me in the comments which of these businesses surprised you the most. I'm George, and I'll see you in the next video.